You know who that is, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, bro. She's breaking. You Griff.
Yeah, bro. She's about to.
That's a clean crack.
All the way through too.
What's up, brother? Mark. All right. So what do you all want to do? You want to load the trailer? You want to load on the trailer, then wash it, or wash it now, or just don't even wash it?
The way he said wash it.
Wash it.
I mean, it's supposed to rain, so there ain't no point doing it now.
Let's just load it on the trailer. Let's get that part over with. I think this is a better angle than that dope tail.
Yeah.
Except for this little lip. I'm afraid my bumper gonna get caught in that. I meant my
You got a bumper.
come on, man. My exhaust clamp. I don't know, she's pretty sketchy.
This shit's all open, brother. This is the first.
It's gonna look low there because it's high up right now. But that looks really low right there. No. Bro, it happens all the time, bro.
They know that's where we be at.
Yeah.
Took it out?
Took what out?
Strap.
How far up do you
No,
go?
don't take it out.
You just said take it out.
No, take like.
I said, bro, take it out. You said, yeah, take it out.
No, like take it, like take this all the way out, like max it out.
All right, man.
We might as well just sit this one out.
All right, fix this one.
What is this hooking on?
The tire.
So, bro, I feel like this would just come.
I sent you the video.
I didn't look at the video.
Tires inside all that. Okay.
Yeah.
So here's the tire right here.
So it's gonna be
That
squishy.
strap.
Squishy. Okay, all right, that's fine. Let's get it. Drive her straight. Hold on, stay, hold on.
All right, so Griff was right. We gotta redo the straps. So yeah, I gotta back her up a little bit. Sweet.
Can you do it? You scared?
In that video, did they come all the way up?
I ain't watched all day.
It's only 3 of them.
Yeah.
Nah, this is a problem.
She too loud.
Yeah.
What's too low?
Going.
Huh?
Where's it going?
Kentucky.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, we leaving. We're going.
All right. You know how to fix it.
I got you. I'll show you. Yo, the sun bleached my
My shit's stuck.
my air filter.
Bro, you need to cut this like now. I gotta get able to work.
All right, I got you, bro.
Yeah, I'm about to smack already. Already.
You got your shot?
Huh?
You got your shot?
I was almost there and he walked by and it up. So leave this shit. I'm driving to Kentucky by myself.
Easy does it. Uh-huh. It's all in the hands, ain't it?
All in the hands, baby.
We getting old. Sweat, man. We sweat for a little.
That's cream.
We out right when we pack up. We'll go shower real quick. We out tonight.
Let's get it. Tonight we out. Might as well. I know a couple people that's leaving right now.
There's gonna be a lot of famous people here. So is it gonna be like an H2OI times 10?
I would say with less like of your foreigns, but there's gonna be a ton of like BMW swapped and like, you know, whose ugly ass Yeti is that? We might catch some rain tonight, so be prepared for anything that's gonna get wet.
Barry did it. At least, I mean, I think he did. You.
Huh? Young Griff, what you got going on? Ooh, we got the stacks on them, baby. Okay, we got the snack bin. Damn, Griff. I'm about to clean these rims up. Griff, not Griff, Mark's back there cleaning some stuff. Let me, yeah, you gotta watch that hose. Shoot, wow. This toolbox probably runs a lot.
I see you put the J hook in there.
Yeah, it's not that good though.
You had another. You got another. You ain't got another bungee cord anywhere.
I mean,
That's all we need. One more.
Nah, there's one in the back of my truck.
Bungee cord?
Yeah, back of my bed.
And the Yoda? Mark came in clutch.
Yeah, that's good shit.
That's what we hired him for. This is looking pretty organized back here, Griff. Yo, Griff was like, yeah, yo, make sure you put me in charge of that, alright? Yo, is that toolbox Lena? Is she about to break?
She cracked right here, but
Is she breaking?
this is cracked right here, but it was like that when we put this in here, see?
Oh yeah, bro, she's breaking. Yo, Griff,
Yeah, bro. She's about to
that's a
snap
clean crack.
all the way through too.
Let me get LS1 out here, come hold her up real quick.
Yo, we ain't taking them out till we get there. All right, we're good.
We ain't going to America. We're going 12 hours away. They gotta be strapped down, man. They ain't going nowhere. That's it. The jack right there, the wheels ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, I can't believe you got all this in here. This is organized.
Yeah.
Yo, Mark, I won't be happy till ours looks like this. We're about there, Mark.
No, I don't care about none of this. I cared about this.
Yeah.
This is all easy.
I can't be.
Come on. You done with that whip? You're the worst cleaner ever, bro.
Only thing is, they don't come with spares.
Some extra straps.
You don't need like one. You got like one big ratchet strap because there's nothing for the rear.
I got the yellow ones.
You want to borrow one? So yeah, boys, we're pretty much all loaded up. This is pretty surreal to me. Like, I can't believe this is actually happening. You know, we pretty much planned all summer for this, all spring, summer, and then now, and like we're finally here. This is wild. It's about 8:30ish right now, so the goal was to leave like 3 a.m. if not before that. So probably get a little rest, eat some dinner. We've been out here for a good couple of hours. I don't know, Joe's looking pretty tired, so we'll see. But I mean, tomorrow's Thursday, so the event is really Friday, but I got to get there by like 7 p.m. tomorrow night to kind of get settled in. So that's the main goal. But you'll see us on our trip. Hopefully everything goes well. So if you're at this point in the video, just wish us luck on this next part.